The mountain is calling. You can feel it. That raw, untamed pull of the wild, snow-covered peaks piercing a brilliant blue sky. It's an incredible sight. But before you can answer that call, you need to prepare. Walking into a ski shop can feel like entering a jungle. So many choices, so much technical jargon. It can be overwhelming. You see walls of skis, rows of boots, racks of high-tech clothing. It's a lot to take in. Your instincts might tell you to just grab something and go, but that would be a mistake. Survival in the wild and on the slopes is all about smart preparation. This isn't just a shopping trip. It's the first step of your expedition. Why does the right gear matter so much? It's simple. It's about survival and enjoyment. The wrong equipment can turn a brilliant day into a battle for survival. Imagine your boots don't fit right. Every turn is agony. Your feet go numb. That's a surefire way to lose focus. And on a mountain, losing focus is dangerous. The right gear becomes an extension of your body. It works with you, not against you. It keeps you safe, warm, and in control, letting you conquer the challenge ahead. Let's talk about skis. For a beginner, you want something that's easy to turn and forgiving. Look for an all-mountain ski. These are the versatile multi-tools of the ski world, designed to handle a bit of everything. You want a ski that is relatively soft in its flex. This helps you initiate turns without fighting the ski. A shorter length, between your chin and your nose, will make them more maneuverable. Don't get tempted by those fat powder skis or stiff racing skis yet. Your first mission is to build a solid foundation of skills. Now for the boots. If there's one place to invest your time and money, this is it. A poorly fitting boot is your worst enemy. It will cause pain, cut off circulation, and ruin your day. You need to go to a professional boot fitter. They will measure your feet properly and find a boot that matches your foot shape. For beginners, look for a boot with a softer flex rating, somewhere between 60 and 90. This allows for more forward ankle movement, which is more comfortable and forgiving as you learn. Consider lines like the Salomon S Pro or the Atomic Hawx series. Your helmet is non-negotiable. Look for MIPS and a snug fit. Poles are for balance. Flip one upside down to check length, elbow at 90 degrees. Surviving in the cold is all about layering. You start with a base layer. Its job is to wick moisture away. Never wear cotton. It holds moisture and chills you. Look for merino wool or synthetic polyester. Brands like Smart Wool or Icebreaker are excellent. They breathe, wick, and resist odor. Next comes the mid-layer, your insulation. Choose a slim fleece, a lightweight down, or a packable synthetic puffy for warmth without bulk. Top-tier options include Patagonia Nanopuff or Arc'teryx Atom. They pack small and give big warmth. The outer layer, your shell, is your armor against wind, snow, and sleet. It needs to be waterproof and breathable. Look for technical membranes like Gore-Tex and features like pit zips and a helmet-compatible hood. Powder skirts and pit zips are practical features to keep you dry and ventilated. Reliable shell brands include the North Face and Helly Hansen. Don't forget extremities, warm waterproof gloves or mittens, thin merino socks, a neck gaiter or balaclava, less bulk, more warmth. The mountain is a dynamic environment. Conditions can change in the blink of an eye. A bluebird morning can turn into a whiteout blizzard by the afternoon. Your gear choices need to reflect this reality. On a cold, clear day, prioritize insulating layers. If it's wet, prioritize waterproofing. If the forecast calls for heavy, wet snow, the waterproofing of your shell becomes critical. For hard-packed conditions, sharp edges matter. In deep powder, a wider ski helps you float on top. Always check the mountain forecast and adjust your kit. Bring a small pack with a few essentials. A pocket survival kit. Carry good goggles, dark lenses for sun, yellow/pink/amber for flat light. Interchangeable lenses are a massive advantage. Pack high-energy snacks. Your body burns calories staying warm. Recap. Start with the core 4. Forgiving skis, professionally fitted boots, a certified helmet, and a layered clothing system. Focus on comfort and fit over high performance at first. The mountain is waiting. Share your go-to gear and tips in the comments below.